Welcome to PartsHnC, your trusted source for all things HVAC. In today's video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about HVAC ducts, types, installation, and how to choose the right one for your needs. First, let's start with the basics. An HVAC duct is a crucial part of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. It carries air from your HVAC unit throughout your home or business, ensuring proper airflow and temperature regulation. There are several types of HVAC ducts to choose from. Flexible ducts. These ducts are easy to install and ideal for tight spaces. Sheet metal ducts. These are durable, efficient, and commonly used in larger homes or commercial spaces. Fiberglass ducts. These are insulated, which helps reduce both noise and energy loss. Installation process. Prepare the area. Clear space for duct installation. Measure and cut. Measure ducts and cut to size. Connect ducts. Attach ducts securely using connectors or tape. Seal joints. Ensure all joints are sealed to prevent air leaks. Install supports. Secure ducts with hangers or brackets. Test the system. Turn on HVAC and check airflow for proper function. At PartsHnC, we offer a wide range of HVAC duct components, tools, and accessories to help you get the job done right.